Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the incredible story of a man who revolutionized the automobile industry, Henry Ford. Yep, the same guy whose name you see on millions of cars around the world. Born in 1863, Henry Ford grew up on a farm in Michigan, but guess what? He wasn't really into farming. Instead, he was fascinated by machinery and how things worked. By 1896, he built his first car, the quadricycle, in a tiny workshop behind his home. Now, Ford wasn't just about building cars. He wanted to make them accessible to everyone. Enter the Model T in 1908, the car that literally changed everything. Affordable, reliable, and easy to drive, the Model T put America on wheels. But here's the real kicker. Ford didn't just stop at making an awesome car, he revolutionized production with the assembly line. This method cut down production time from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. Imagine that, a car rolling out every 90 seconds. Pure genius, right? Ford also believed in taking care of his workers. He introduced the $5 workday in 1914, which was double the average wage at the time. This not only reduced turnover but also allowed his employees to buy the cars they were building. Talk about forward thinking. Henry Ford's vision and innovations didn't just transform the auto industry. They reshaped society, influencing everything from urban planning to the way we live and work. Today, we can still see his impact in every car that hits the road. So next time you're behind the wheel, give a nod to Henry Ford, the man who made it all possible. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome car content. Catch you later.